Well, by now you figured out that I really like cats. So good morning, and today's little project was a kitty cat. I did use QuikWood for the legs. Do cats have legs? Legs, arms? And they're just really simple, just give you the idea of some arms. I think I went a little bit wild on the whiskers. I probably could have used monofilament fishing line or something like that, but I just wanted it to be really kind of like a caricature of a cat. And this kitty has got little fishies painted all over, and Spook is right here watching me as I do this going, that looks kind of like me. Let's see, I'll let you be the judge. Okay, here's Spook. Is it a match? Is it a match? Is that Spook? So just another idea for a little bit different, unusual way to make a cat. I used QuikWood for all those parts, and it was just a matter of forming up what I wanted it to look like, and then a lot of painting. And then of course a spray at the end so that it is protected. So I'm really hoping that somebody is going to love having this on their Christmas tree. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you like my ideas, and I'll be bringing you some more ornaments in the next couple days.